welcome to Real News Channel, and of course together here with me I am your Master of Ceremony. Today as we come together, we are here assembling for the Majlis Muhibah Gabungan NGO Sempurna sambutan Ramadan 2025. And what is really great about this, where there's two races coming together, and it's officiated actually surprisingly by our fellow Indians, and also where we come together reunited together with Malays, so it becomes Muhibah here right now. And it's really interesting. Today we have all the VVIPs. Obviously we have this berasmian by our Tuan Haji Rahim, and with that following to all our together with our VIPs, we have us as Maran from Pengurusi Pertubuhan Kebangkitan Tiga Tangan, Wijayan KN Kanan, Pengurusi Persatuan Komuniti Kampung Laksamana. We have Nurul Syuhada binti Samsurin, Pengurusi AS Syuhada, who she bring all the belajar tahfiz together with us. And with that we have Datuk Seri Muhammad Shah bin Haji Sulaiman from President Mita and Periman. Along with us, we also have Tuan Devendran anak laki Sevraju from the Akli Majlis Zone 7 MPS merangkap Pengurusi Pertubuhan Kemajukan Komiti India Gombak. So where we are all assembled here, it's so nice to see that everyone is eating really well. We have sumbangan, okay? We have a lot of sumbangan, and we want to thank sumbangan. Terima kasih kepada semua sumbangan, kunci dari MB Selangor, sumbangan duit raya, goodies raya, anak tahfiz, sumbangan bako makanan asnaf, sumbangan bubur lambuk, dan sumbangan kurma. And with that today, finally we have launched pelancaran tabung Muhibah. So kepada sesiapa mungkin minat ke nak memberikan sedekah, inilah masanya untuk kita menjalankan sebagai seorang manusia ya, yang responsibility untuk to give out to the society. So with that, thank you so much once again to Real News Channel for having me. Signing out, Sunshine.
Terima kasih sekali lagi kepada Datuk Menteri Besar kita, Datuk Seri Amiruddin Syari.
Sampai 7.30 pagi, masa tu saya pada kampung
Dan ni nak cakap sekali ya, selamat Hari Raya dan maaf Zahir Barin. Dah tahu dah style dia macam mana ya? Dan kita akan buatkan sekarang.
Okey, 1, 2, 3.
Dan maaf Zahir Batin. Hebatlah kau ini yang kita suppose selalu ni.